CRM platforms versus sales automation tools. Which one is better for scaling small businesses? Most people get this wrong by assuming CRM platforms and sales automation tools are interchangeable. The surprising truth is that while both aim to grow revenue, they serve very different purposes, and choosing the right one can make or break your scaling strategy. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management platforms, focus on managing customer data, tracking interactions, and nurturing relationships over time. For example, a small business using a CRM can see a full history of customer email, purchases, and service requests in one place. This helps sales teams personalize communication, track deals through pipelines, and retain loyal clients, all critical for sustainable growth. Sales automation tools, on the other hand, are designed to streamline repetitive tasks in the sales process, such as sending follow-up emails, scheduling calls, or generating quotes. Imagine a sales rep who needs to reach 100 prospects weekly. Automation software ensures no let-slips through the cracks, saving hours of manual work and accelerating deal closure. The key difference is strategy versus execution. CRM platforms are about insight, relationship management, and long-term growth. Sales automation tools are about efficiency, speed, and operational scaling. Most small businesses find that integrating both delivers the best results. Use a CRM to understand your customers deeply, and leverage sales automation to execute outreach at scale. Takeaway is clear: if your priority is building meaningful customer relationships and maintaining organized data, a CRM is essential. If your priority is increasing sales efficiency and speeding up deal cycles, sales automation is the way to go. The surprising truth is that combining both allows small businesses to scale intelligently, growing revenue without losing the personal touch that keeps customers coming back.